In this video, I will show you how to stake on Kraken. So doing this is fairly simple whether you want to use the mobile app or the website. So first, if you're using the website, in the left menu just go to Earn right here. If you're using the mobile app, you want to go to your portfolio and then from there just click on a cryptocurrency you want to stake. If you want to do it on the mobile app, just click on portfolio, and then if you haven't turned it on yet, you will see bonded earn right under your portfolio value. And if you click on that, you can then also stake however much you want to stake of which cryptocurrency. So you will see the same screen you see here. Now here you can see you have earn opportunities. So you can allocate Bitcoin, you can stake Ethereum, restake Ethereum, stake Solana. They will only show the ones that you have in your portfolio. Now down here you can also see some other staking programs. Some of them have pretty high APRs, but often those are also more volatile. Now for example, if I want to stake Bitcoin, what I can do is just click allocate right here, and then from here choose how much I want to do. Now this says allocate, so this is not really staking, but if I want to actually stake Ethereum, I can just click stake here. Then let's do max, so all of the Ethereum in my account, which is less than €1. From there click review. You can see bonding time here is 26 days, unbonding time 45 days. You can see right here what those things mean. But from there just click on confirm, and then you will get, in this case, an earning rate of 2 to 5% APR. And now I have staked this Ethereum, so now my balance here is 97 cents. So that's basically how you can stake on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.